Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to find area of a triangle, trapezium and a parallelogram. So you can see on the screen there are some questions where we need to find out what is the area of a triangle. So the formula for the area of a triangle is area of triangle is equals to 1 by 2 into B into H, where B represent base and H represent height. So you can see here we have three different triangles, and in these three different triangles, if you can see, this one is height, this one is height, and this one is height. That means height is a perpendicular height, where you can see it is making a 90-degree angle. So this one is also making a 90-degree angle, and this one is also making a 90-degree angle with the base. That means this we will consider as a height. Now what is your base? Base is this particular side, B, B and B. That means the height is always making a 90-degree angle with the base. Now we need to find out what is the area of the different triangles which you can see on the board. So first of all, we'll take the area for this triangle. So the formula is 1 by 2 into B into H. So I have already written here what is B. B is 13. H is 10. You can simplify 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So you will get here 65. Now since the units are centimeters, so centimeter square, because the area units are square units. Then we will calculate the area of the second triangle. So area is equals to, again we'll put the values in the formula, 1 by 2 into B is 12 and H is 8. You can simplify it. 2 ones are 2, 2 six are 12, which is equals to 48 centimeters square. Then we have a third triangle. If we need to find out the area for this, area will be equals to 1 by 2 into B is 6 and H is 16. We will simplify. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So the answer for this is 48 centimeter square. So this is when the diagram is given to you and you have to find out the area of a triangle. Now, in case of a statement question, in case of a word problem, you have to read the word problem. So what it says, find the area of a triangle with a base. So in the question itself, they have already mentioned what is base. Base is 19 centimeter, perpendicular height. So it's already mentioned what is height. Height is 7 centimeter. So if I need to find out the area for this, I will write down area is equals to 1 by 2 into, what's the value for B? B is 19. What is the value for H? H is 7. So we'll write on here 19 into 7. So when we are not able to simplify, so here I cannot simplify, I cannot divide any of the number in the numerator place with the denominator place. So what I need to do? I need to multiply. So 19 into 7 I will do, I will write on here divided by 2. So when I multiply 19 with 7, I will get here 133. And 133 divided by 2 will be equals to, when I'll divide it, we will get the answer in terms of a decimal number. So it will be equals to 66.5. Since the unit is centimeter, centimeter, we'll write on here centimeter square. So this is how we can calculate the area of a triangle. Now let's understand how we can find out the area of a trapezium, or we can say trapezoid. Both are same. The area of trapezium is equals to 1 by 2 into A plus B into H, where H is equals to height and A and B are the lengths of two parallel lines or the lengths of two parallel sides. For example, if you can see here in first trapezium, this side and this side, it's parallel. So this is A and this is B. In the second trapezium, if you will see, these two sides are parallel. So you can take it as A, this one is B. In the third trapezium, these two sides are parallel. That means this one you can take as A, this one you can take as B. Now coming to the part of height. Which one is the height here? So in the first trapezium, this is height. In the second trapezium, this is height. In the third trapezium, this is height. So the concept of height, I already explained you when we did the area of a triangle. So we'll find out the area for the first trapezium. So area is equals to 1 by 2 into A is 8 and B is 11 into 4. So we can simplify this, and what we will get? 8 plus 11 is equals to 19 into 2, which is equals to 38 centimeter square. Now, if I will calculate the area of the second trapezium, it will be equals to 1 by 2 into A is 17 plus 12 and H is equals to 9. Now, I cannot simplify 9 with 2. So, what I need to do? I have to add 17 with 12, which is equals to 29 into 9. So I will multiply 29 with 9 first, and then we will divide that answer with 2. So 261 over 2. So when I'll divide this answer with 2, I will get it equals to 130.5 centimeter square. Now we will calculate the area for third trapezium. Area is equals to 1 by 2 into, then it's 11 plus 14, and then height is equals to 10. I can simplify 10 with 2. So 2 5s are 10. So if I will add 11 with 14, I will get equals to 25. And we have already 5 outside. So the answer is 125 centimeters square. So this is how you can find the area of a trapezium or trapezoid. Area of a parallelogram is equals to B into H. So if you will see the first parallelogram, 5 is equals to B and 4 is equals to H. So B and H we have already used in the area of a triangle. B represent base and H represent height. In the second parallelogram, we will see, I will consider this 30 as base and this one as height, because if you can see this 21 millimeter, it's going to make this 90-degree angle with 30 millimeter. So I will consider 30 millimeter as base, not 23 millimeter as base. Now we will find out what is the area. So area is equals to, since the formula is very simple, B into H will do 5 into 4, which is equals to 20 centimeters square. Then we'll find out the area of a second parallelogram. So area is equals to B into H. B here is 30 and H here is 21. So when I multiply 30 with 21, I'll get it equals to 630. Now since it's millimeter, that means it will be millimeter square. So this is how you can calculate the area of a parallelogram. So I hope that you already understand how to calculate the area of a triangle, area of a trapezium, and area of a parallelogram. Then we'll find out the area of a second parallelogram. So area is equals to B into H. B here is 30 and H here is 21. So when I multiply 30 with 21, I'll get it equals to 630. Now since it's millimeter, that means it will be millimeter square. So this is how you can calculate the area of a parallelogram. So I hope that you already understand how to calculate the area of a triangle, area of a trapezium, and area of a parallelogram. So if you like the video, hit the like and the subscribe button, share the channel link with your friends, and do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching.